The first step always is to save your soap scraps in a tin. This is a 1 kg blue band tin. Just put them in and add some water so that with time they soften up. These ones I've had them for 2 months, so just checking if they have softened enough, just run your fork through the soap, and if it can go through, then they are ready for recycling. So now you'll pour in your soap scraps little by little. Then using your fork as a masher, just start mashing them up. And just in case you have soap scraps that have not softened enough like this one, just weed it out from this and just place it on the side. Then from time to time add more soap scraps, little by little. If you have a lot, you can transfer it to another container as you continue mashing up more soap scraps. So now the next step, you want to light up your stove and put it on medium heat. Place your saucepan on top. Then now you need to pour in your soap scraps little by little. So the idea of heating them up is to soften them, and you'll notice that they'll soften real fast. So while you maintain your heat to medium, just keep heating them until all this has turned into a jelly-like consistency. Achieve a point where you have a jelly-like substance, so that the soaps have completely melted into each other, forming one substance that looks like porridge. Once it has completely turned into jelly, just turn off your gas. The next step now being pouring them into our molds, and for this process I'm going to use some old phone cases. And while you continue stirring your mixture that is still hot, just pour gently into your molds. You also have the option of adding an antiseptic. Add 2 bottle tops, and then now we can pour it into our mold. You can also add an essential oil. I got this from Healthy You for around 1,000 shillings. Just pour in a couple of drops. So after 3 hours in the freezer, we can remove them from our mold. And then the next step, now you can cut it up into large chunks or small chunks depending on how you see fit.